Alright guys, so today we're changing the third brake light in the 05 Grand Cherokee. So 05 to 10. Basically pretty easy. You just got to take out the screws, and then on the back there'll be a washer hose connected to it for the rear washer. I guess this is pretty common to go bad on these. The LEDs work sometimes and don't. That's what happened to me, and I looked on the internet and Dorman sells it. Usually when Dorman sells it, something's going on. So as you can see, it'll be a little tricky. It's been there for, what is it, 2005, so 12 years. So she's a little gretzy, but just got to get that hose off. Don't lose it inside the gate, otherwise you'll have some issues. And then you just disconnect the connector, and then just throw it back in the same way you took it out. Put the connector on, put the hose on, and put the two screws back in. So hopefully this will save you guys some money at the garage. The garage wanted to charge me $114, claiming they could only get it from the manufacturer. Nobody makes it aftermarket, which quite a few people do. You can buy China ones, you can buy Dorman ones. Like I said, this is just another used one because I got a sweet deal on it, so hopefully it works. But that's it guys, just simple as that. Don't let your garage charge you. You know, they wanted $115 for the light and then another like 20 bucks to install it. So save yourself $100. Just, you can go to Walmart and buy a screwdriver for like $1.50.